Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views. This video is for the educational purposes only. Today we are going to do a fundamental analysis of Tata Steel and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. So this is the website of Tata Steel. You can go through this and get to know more information about this company. So here today, if we look into the stock price of Tata Steel, it was 110 and it moved by around 0.23%. So the current market cap of Tata Steel is 1,34,254 crores. The stock PE is 17 and the industry PE is 14.5. So it is a bit expensive than the industry PE. Now if you look into the ROCE, the ROCE ranges between 11.6 to 18.8. And if we look into the ROE, so it oscillates between 7.28 till 20.1. If you look into the debt on the company, so the debt is quite high. And if you look into the face value, it is 1. The dividend yield is impressive and it is 3.28%. If we look into the promoters holding, it is 33.9, which is lesser than the 50% mark. And if we look into the changes in promoters holding, they have increased their holding by 0.01%. The FIIs, they have reduced their stake by 1.25%. And the DIIs, they have increased their holdings by 1.06%. So as of now, they are having 20.7% in Tata Steel. If you look into the pledged percentage, so it is 1.55%. The sales growth is in negative territory. So and the profit growth CAGR is also negative. If we look into the EPS, then the earning per share is coming out to be 7 rupees 17 paise. And if we look into the operating profit margin, it is 13.3%. And the PEG ratio is 6.33, which leaves little room for the company to actually grow in the future. Now, if we look into the ROIC, it is 6.69, which is less in comparison to the FD rate as well, and it is lesser than the mutual fund rates as well. If we look into the Altman Z score, then the Altman Z score is coming out to be 2.45. The Piotrowski score is 3, which specifies the financials are not good for this company. However, the reserves is quite high. It is 1,0861 crores are there in the reserves. Look into the return over 1 month, then it is 3.24%. Return over 1 week is minus 3.72 and return over 1 day is 0.023%. It is away from the 52 weeks low by 31.1% and it is down from the 52 weeks high by 11.6%. Now let's move on to the beta for Tata Steel. Then the beta is coming out to be 1.26, which is quite high. Now if we look into the stock score for Tata Steel, then the stock score is coming out to be 6 out of 10. Earning is 8, fundamentals is 2, relative valuation is 8, risk is 9 and price momentum is 2. Now if we look into the chart structure of Tata Steel, so if you see there is a gap over here at around 117.38 and right now the stock is at this level. So today it was 110 rupees around. The volume is less. The RSI is below 60 and the MACD line is below the red line. So nothing can be said about this stock. The stock can move in any of the directions. But as of now, it is in a territory where nothing can. Please do your due diligence before investing in this stock and consult your financial advisors before making any move in this stock. So if we look into the fair value for Tata Steel, then the fair value of Tata Steel is coming out to be 124.71. So there is a potential upside of 13.5% and the spread can be between 78 till 151. So these are the pros and cons of this company. If we look into the Bennis M score, then it specifies that the company is not a potential earning manipulator. So the company is ethically very good. The only thing is like it is the fundamentals are not that good. Thank you for listening, and if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful informations like this on a regular basis. Thank you. Have a nice day.